what's something people don't know about dandelions? Their seeds are incredible travelers. Dandelion seeds aren't just fluff, they're tiny adventurers. At the top of each seed, you'll find the pappus, a bundle of fine, white hairs. Imagine it like a mini parachute, catching the wind and carrying the seed far and wide. Next up, we have the cap. It's the flat part holding all those pappus hairs together, making sure our little traveler stays afloat. The beak is the seed's slender lifeline. It connects the cap to the achene, the heart of the seed. When the time is right, the beak helps the seed break free and start its journey. Finally, there's the achene. This tough, brown shell carries all the important stuff the dandelion needs to grow in a new spot. So next time you see a dandelion puff, know it's the start of an amazing adventure. Nature's wonders are all around us, just waiting to be discovered.